Sorrento at the venue of the AstroInformatics 2011 meetings, and we are here with Professor George Orgosky from the California Institute of Technology, who has been one of the pioneers in the field and who has very clear ideas of how this field must evolve in the coming years. George, you have been one of the forerunners in trying to bridge the gap existing between astronomy and modern technology in the ICT domain. Why do you think this is a need?
Well, information technology and computing have revolutionized the way we do science, just like they've changed everything else in our world. We now generate data at the Moore's law pace, with the amount of data doubling every year and a half. And certainly our knowledge doesn't double every year and a half, which suggests that we need better tools to extract knowledge from these amazing new large and complex data sets that we're getting. Generally speaking, the progress in science always derives from progress in technology. It used to be electronics, or first computers at all, but now it really is information technology, how we discover and manipulate information, discover new facts and new laws of nature in it. So we need a whole new set of tools. Just like science evolves, its scientific method evolves, and we need to add to our toolkit of ways in which we actually try to understand the universe.
One of the things which has emerged many times during this meeting is that the traditional way of teaching is no longer fit to such a rapidly evolving scenario. And you are one of the advocates about rejuvenating academy and the way modern science and modern technologies are taught to students. Can you comment on that?
I think that's an extremely important issue, that we have society and culture that changes again at the pace of information technology. We have knowledge economy. More and more of our work is done on the computer and involves computing or information or the web in some fundamental ways. And social education. We need to teach students to become effective users of modern tools and contribute to their usage, not just for entertainment, but really all aspects of our lives, including professional ones. But we're not doing a very good job about that because the technology develops so rapidly, much faster than anything else we had in history. And so the academia is not really following it up. And we are not doing our part of the social contract in educating society for the jobs in the 21st century economy, let alone science or scholarship. So we need to somehow accelerate and change our curricula to adapt to a rapidly shifting intellectual and technological scene of the 21st century. And in that process, we should probably take a good advantage of these amazing technologies. And all of the humanities knowledge is already on the web, but we still teach in the ways that our predecessors did 1,000 years ago. So we have a great opportunity to completely revitalize the way education is done at all levels, from kindergarten to the graduate school, using great tools that information technology is giving us. And yet we're being very slow to do this. So I think it deserves a very concentrated effort to do that.
Thank you very much.